Hey, how's it going, guys? Tyler and Sam here, and today, really exciting episode. We're finally getting out to do some spring bass fishing. I've been looking forward to this, Sam's been looking forward to this for a really long time. Really pumped to get this footage for you guys. Hoping that today works out pretty well. Last couple weeks, we've been wanting to go bass fishing, but the conditions, the times that we've wanted to go, of course, coincidentally have been really bad. A couple times we wanted to go, of course, the temperature drops, we get a cold front in, and it's just, we don't want to make the first bass episode for you guys a grinder where we only catch 1 or 2 fish. Conditions are looking pretty well today. We got partly cloudy weather. The water here is gonna be really clear. All right, so the water in this reservoir that we're hitting, it's always really clear. It's pretty rare that it's pretty murky, and if it is, it's usually just on the edges. A little bit windy too, so with those conditions, you know, and it's spring, water's starting to heat up, we're going to be, you know, throwing a wide variety of stuff, see what's working today. Tough thing about Colorado bass fishing can be, of course, those fluctuating temperatures from highs to lows, 20, 30, high 30s sometimes temperature changes. We're showing up kind of at a tough time right now. It's midday, and we're expecting the bite to just get progressively better throughout the day, but we'll see what's happening. We're gonna be doing belly boat fishing today for you guys. Hopefully get some really big largemouth, hopefully get some big bluegill too if they're biting. Stay tuned, guys, and hopefully we can get some big fish for you. All right, guys, so I was gonna go with some finesse stuff, but the wind's picked up pretty heavy. So I'm going with a 3/16 ounce chatterbait, Zako soft plastic trailer. Got this on a medium heavy 7'3" lichen from 6 Gill. Got a Revo SX Abu Garcia baitcaster reel on here, and got 20-pound Suffix braid with a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader from P-Line. Before I turn the camera on, I had a solid bite on this. Let's work in this alley before I get on my belly boat. Got one. Got one, babe. First bass of 2020, you guys. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's a good one.
Nice.
Crush the chatterbait.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yes, you guys.
Oh yeah.
3/16 ounce chatterbait.
I know you really wanted to throw that today too.
Yeah, the chatterbait I feel is gonna be good.
Nice.
Zako trailer, guys. Zako Swimbait trailer. Oof.
Oof.
First bass of 2020. Feels super good. There he goes. Yep, I knew the chatterbait, the Zako trailer was gonna do well.
We did.
Chartreuse.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we got that one bass. Pretty decent one too for the first one of 2020. But we're gonna move on out into the belly boats now, so we'll be right back with you.
Tyler's on.
Got one. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. It's just solid. Whew. Gorgeous. All right, you guys, beautiful largemouth. Let's get it back in. Woo. Babe. All right, little 1-pounder. Crushed this thing. Look at that, munched it. Whew. Nice, guys. Maybe a little over a pound. Oh, it feels good to be catching bass again, guys. They're just slamming the chatterbait. Got one, guys. Yep. They're all right here in this cove. This one's a little bit better, guys. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, fatty. Oh, geez. This guy had a hook before. Look at that, guys. I don't know what to do about that. The guy looks like he's pooping out a hook. Oh, it sucks for you. That's the ticket today. Zako Chartreuse with white, Chartreuse and white 3/16 ounce Chatterbait. Just pounding this thing. Really solid 2-pounder right there, a little skinny. God, I feel bad though, look at this. He's got a hook. Oh, I don't want to tear that out. That's still going in there quite a bit. Oh, it's too bad. Well, let's get him back in. There he goes. That guy had a hook coming out of his butt. Yeah, he swallowed a hook and it went through his whole digestive system. Most of it came out, but the hook part stuck in his anus. Yeah, it sucks. No, I can't, that thing's hooked. I just let him go. Oh, shoot. I had one, he bit the tail. I just had one, he chomped the tail off of it. Shoot. Oh, shoot. I got one, guys. Got one. Yeah, guys, a little 1-pounder. I was coming up to get that retrieval. He chased it all the way up. Really pale, really cold. It's a lot colder than here than I thought it would be today. But you know, we're still getting some good bass. Chatterbait's really putting in a lot of work. That's what we're getting all my bites and fish on, so really nice. Oh, got one, guys. Yep. Good. Yeah, guys, crushing that chatterbait. Oh yeah, that's how you know right there, guys. Boom. Has that whole thing just nailed it. Oh, Zako. Sorry about the wind, guys. Seems like they're getting smaller now, but this is probably almost a pound, maybe a little bit over. Got some markings here. Huh. Well, let's get some more. As you can see, guys, it is extremely windy. Done fishing, yeah, we still got a few hours, but me and Sam kind of took a break for a bit and had some snacks just to kind of refuel because we've just been fighting this wind all day. But we're gonna get out here, like I said, for another few hours, see if we can pull in a few more bass, and yeah. Gotten a good handful so far. Sam unfortunately hasn't gotten any bites yet, but I have a good feeling she's gonna get something. Water's heating up. It's still pretty cool water, but the water's still gonna be heating up. We just gotta keep fighting this wind. So we'll see you out there in just a minute, guys. Got it. Knew I had one there. Oh, guys, look at that nice one. Probably about a 2.5, maybe 2, probably 2. It's pretty skinny. Doesn't look like they're in pre-spawn yet over here. Whew, nailed that thing though. So switch it up to a white chatterbait. All white with some flake on there. Same Chartreuse trailer though, the Zako. Whew. Nice one, guys. Sam, I think has a fish, guys.
Yeah, I do. Bass, babe. Big one. Woo! We finally got a fish. Yeah. Off the Ned Rig. Oh. Been fishing all day. It's about, what, 5:40, I bet. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that big guy. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy right now. All right, we're gonna let him go. There he goes.
that was an awesome day. Really great time for our first open water bass trip for 2020. All of them with the 3/16 ounce chatterbait, Chartreuse and white were really the big things for me today. Chartreuse trailer too with the Zako Swimbait from Gary Yamamoto. Had a subscriber tell me about how well those work as chatterbait trailers, and I had to give it a try, and they work awesome. I'm not a very experienced chatterbait fisherman, but I definitely gained a lot of confidence today using that. Me and Sam wanted to show up today throwing a lot of finesse stuff. We were really hoping to throw a lot of Ned Rig stuff today, shaky head stuff, but that wind was insane. It was unbearable for the most part. Made it really tough for the finesse, but glad to at least get the chatterbait out and put some work in with that. We were throwing swim bait stuff too, spinner bait stuff. A lot of, I threw some DT10s, some DT6s. Couldn't get a bite except for on the chatterbait itself. And then Sam got that one on the Ned Rig when the wind calmed down just a little bit. It was a really great time out there. Again, super happy to be out fishing for bass finally for 2020. I know a lot of you guys have been looking forward to it. Springtime fishing, we still got more river fishing to come, more bank fishing, more belly boat fishing, all kinds of different types of fishing for you guys. We're really excited to bring it to you. Super happy that we're over 1,000 subscribers already. Thank you so much for that, you guys. Really awesome. We'll be doing the giveaway and stuff like that once we get all this COVID stuff figured out and all of that. Another awesome thing today was I got some catches on my 7'3" medium heavy lichen rod from Six Gill. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I really wanted to test those rods out, seeing as there's so many mixed reviews online about them. So I'm going to be doing a rod review on both those rods here in the next week or two. Keep an eye out for that. But guys, let me stop talking. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Make sure if you're a new person here to the channel, hit that subscribe button too. We really appreciate all your guys' support. Until next time, TEAMCOFF signing out.
Bye.